Hello friends, welcome to Class to College. Today there are three important information which I am going to bring to you. So MCC Medical Counseling Committee has released a notification wherein they have asked the candidates who have applied in the NRI, OCI, foreign citizen category to submit their documents wherein they have a sponsor. Medical Counseling Committee has clearly stated that if the candidate himself is an OCI candidate, he doesn't have to submit the embassy certificate. But if the candidate, whether his sponsor is an NRI or OCI or PIO or foreign citizen, then they have to submit the said documents, which have to be in a proper format, have to be in a given order. The candidate has to submit the sponsor's proof of being an NRI. They have to submit the affidavit from the sponsor. They have to submit an embassy certificate and then attach their needs scorecard. These are the documents along with an affidavit which is given in the notification as Annexure 1 has to be sent by the candidate to MCC at the email address which is given in the description below by 2nd of January 10 a.m. So the time period for the same has already begun and it will extend till 2nd January 10 a.m. If you have any doubt or you need any clarification, you can WhatsApp us at our helpline number 93190 or 798811 Additionally, for Rajasthan has published the provisional merit list for NRI and PWD candidates. Now, if you are an NRI or PWD candidate, you have to go to the given time period. You have to go there at the Government Dental College in Subhash Nagar in Jaipur, and you have to get your documents verified. So, if you want to check whether your name is there in the merit list or not, you can click on the link given in the description below and see your name and be present as per the time given in the notification. The link for the notification is also provided in the description box. Third very important news, Himachal Pradesh has published on their website, it is coming on the scroller, that the merit list will be provided on the website by 31st December. So that is tomorrow. So the new year is going to be very hectic. The activity has begun. I think by 6th January, if the Supreme Court gives the green signal, everything is all right. Then by 8th or 10th January, all the counseling should begin. So enjoy your holidays. Class to College wishes you a very happy new year. If you have any question, if you have any query, you call us directly or WhatsApp us at our helpline number 93190 or 798811 7369. Thank you very much.